Now it's centered. So you've got a servo and you need to center it before you attach the control horn. And the best way to do that is with a servo adjuster. These come in all different shapes and sizes, but they're basically the same. Now, if you look on it, the signal pins go at the top, the 5 volts go in the middle rail, and the ground on the bottom rail. I'm going to turn it round. The power goes in at the top, and then these 2 channels you can use for your servos. So again, ground on the bottom rail, power 5 volts on the middle rail, signal on the top. So I've just got a little 1S battery here. I'm just going to attach that. Very typical. Finally. Now, as you can see, power to the middle rail. Now we get our servo. If you look at our servo wires, we've got red, black and white. White is signal, red is power, black is ground. So the black goes at the bottom and the white signal goes at the top. If you can see that. Now, when we adjust this, you'll see this has got a sensor mark. You see the servo moving. So let's say you want it in the center. So you set this in the center and then put your control horn where you want it, in the position that you want it for whatever you're putting it on. Now it's centered. It's as simple as that. Well, the other thing you can use one of these for is, because it puts out PWM, which is pulse width modulation, you can actually drive a ESC or an electronic speed controller. So in here we've just got a basic drone motor connected to a basic speed controller. Now, same applies as before. This actually says servo and ESC on it, but it doesn't matter which way around you put that. As long as the signal wire's at the top. And you don't need to power this now, because this will get power off the ESC. But the important thing to remember is to put this all the way down to the 0 position. It's actually 1, but as far left as it will go, and you'll see why. So I'll power it up and you'll probably hear the ESC. Now, this will actually put a PWM signal out. So you can see, Now, if you was to connect the battery up with this in the middle position, the motor will, or could, or most probably will, start up, which is not good when you've got a propeller on. So always make sure it's turned right down before you connect the battery when you're using it on a brushless motor with an ESC. Thanks.